Hi friends, welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 2 of HTML. In this video, I will tell how to download and install VS Code. To download VS Code, you have to open Chrome browser. I am opening Chrome browser.
New tab dash.
Here I am searching download VS Code.
Tab my P O double N L O A P download space P P S S space C O O P E code space on F O R core space on select I N N on P O O W S S on selected Windows.
Here I have typed. I am pressing enter here.
Download VS Code for Windows dash Google search heading level 1 accessible.
First I am pressing Control Home.
Heading level 1.
Now I am navigating heading by pressing S letter key.
Navigation landmark filters and topics main landmark clickable search results heading level 1 clickable download Visual Studio Code dash Mac Linux Windows heading level 3 link.
Friends, here if I press the enter, and this is the official website to download VS Code. VS Code, the software was launched by Microsoft. Here if I press the enter, VS Code website will open. Here I am pressing enter.
Download Visual Studio Code dash Mac Linux Windows top level navigation
Again I am navigating heading by heading.
Download Visual Studio Code heading level 1.
Friends, while downloading VS Code, we have to download according to our OS. Which OS we are using. According to that OS we have to download. I am using Windows. For Windows I am downloading this software.
Free and built on open source. Link Windows download.
Here if I press the enter, download will start. I am pressing enter here.
Documentation for Visual Studio Code. Top level navigation
Friends, it's downloading. To check this downloading or not, we have to press Ctrl plus J. Here I am pressing Ctrl J.
Download history document. Search
It's downloading.
31%. 41%. 51%. 62%. 72%. 82%. 92%. Download history dash Google Chrome region.
Friends, it got downloaded. I am closing this browser.
Ops 31.0. Folder.
Now I am going to this PC.
This PC 4. File Explorer. This PC. Items view list. Folders grouping expand.
And I am going to download folder.
D. Documents column 2 of 7. D. Downloads column 3 of 7. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. VS Code user setup dash x64 dash 1.101.0.x not selected 1 of 14.
I am selecting this file by pressing space key.
Space selected.
I am pressing enter on this file.
Window dialog. Downloads. Items view list. Setup dash Microsoft Visual Studio Code left parent. User right parent. Dialog license agreement. Please read the following important information before continuing. Please read the following license.
After clicking enter on this file, we have to accept the license agreement. Here I am pressing tab key.
I do not accept the agreement. Radio button check Alt plus D.
To accept the agreement, we have to press up arrow key here.
I accept the agreement. Radio button check Alt plus A.
Okay, I have accepted the agreement. I am pressing tab.
Next button Alt plus N.
And I am clicking on next.
Space press to continue click next if you would like to select.
Friends, here don't do anything.
Browse button Alt.
Let's click on next.
Back button Alt next button Alt plus N. Space press to continue click next if you would like to select a different.
Friends, here also don't do anything.
Browse tick T create a start.
Click on next.
Back button Alt next button Alt plus N. Space press select the additional tasks you would like set up to perform while installing Visual Studio Code then click next preview.
Friends, in this these three options are very important. First, let's see the options.
Add quote. Create a desktop icon checkbox not checked.
Friends, if you want desktop icon, you may check, otherwise it's okay. I am checking this option.
Space checked. Add quote open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu checkbox not checked.
Friends, this is very important option. You must check this option.
Space checked.
If you do not check this option, you will face so many problems while opening any folder in VS Code. Again I am pressing tab.
Add quote open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu checkbox not checked.
This is also very important.
Space checked. Register code as an editor for supported file types checkbox checked.
Again I'm pressing tab.
Add to path left parent. Requires shell restart right parent. Checkbox checked. Back button Alt plus B.
I'm clicking on next.
Next button space. Pressed. Install.
Finally I'm installing this VS Code.
Cancel. Click install. Back button Alt plus B. Install button Alt plus I.
Here I'm pressing enter.
Next. Cancel button 0%.
It is
10%.
now.
20%. 30%. 40%. 50%. 60%. 70%. 80%. 90%. 100%. Setup dash Microsoft Visual Studio Code left parent. User right parent. Dialog installing. Please wait while setup installs Visual Studio Code on your computer. Setup has finished installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. Click finish to exit setup. Preview. Launch Visual Studio Code checkbox checked.
Okay friends, I'm pressing tab.
Finish button Alt plus F.
I'm clicking on finish.
Space unknown. Downloads. Items. Visual Studio Code. Document. Application. Main landmark. Info. List with 7 items. Inspect is inaccessible.
Friends, here we have to do some settings. I'll tell you. I'm pressing tab here.
Checkbox for step. Use AI features with Copilot for free. Not completed. Checkbox not checked.
Friends, I don't want this option. If you want, you may check.
Copilot button. Set up Copilot button. Checkbox for step. Choose your theme. Not completed. Checkbox not checked. Choose your theme button collapsed.
I don't want this option also.
Checkbox for step. Rich support for all your languages. Not completed. Checkbox not checked. Checkbox for step. Tune your set. Checkbox for step. Unlock productivity with the command palette. Not completed. Checkbox not checked. Unlock productivity with the command palette button collapsed.
Friends, if you want these all options, you may check. I don't want any option. Just I'm pressing tab and I'm going to next.
Checkbox for step. Watch mark done button.
Here I'm pressing mark done.
List with 5 items. Open file. Open folder. Connect the button. New workspace with Copilot. List with 1 item. Open a folder button. List with 3 items. Get started with accessibility features. Heading level 3. High button. Learn the tools. Learn the fundamentals. Heading left. High button. Clickable more. When checked. This page will be shown on startup. Checkbox checked.
Friends, please uncheck this option.
Not checked. Checkbox for step. Use AI features with Copilot for free. Completed. Checkbox unavailable. Checked. Checked. Not checked. Checkbox for step. Use AI features with Copilot. Checked.
Friends, please uncheck. These are all options.
Not checked.
Because these all are options are not important for us.
Checkbox for step. Use AI features with Copilot for free. Completed. Checkbox unavailable. Checked. Not checked. Checkbox for step. Use AI. Not checked. Checkbox for step. Use AI. Not checked. Checkbox for step. Use AI feed. Copilot button. Set up Copilot button. Welcome dash Visual Studio Code document. Application. Main landmark. Overview of how to get up. Opt-out visited link. Status bar. Screen reader usage detected. Do you want to enable editor? Accessibility support. To optimize the editor for screen reader usage. Notification list.
Friends, this option is very important in VS Code. If you want to use screen reader, here I'm pressing tab.
Screen reader usage detected. Do you want to enable editor? Accessibility support. To optimize the editor for screen reader usage. Notification, inspector response in the accessible view with Alt plus F2 dialog. Yes button.
See this friends option again.
Yes button focused.
Here I'm pressing space.
Space. Main landmark. Overview of how to get up to speed with your editor. Document. Visited link opt-out.
Friends, finally I have set up my VS Code. You may also set like this only.
Welcome dash Visual.
I'm closing this VS Code.
Downloads. Items view list. Desktop list.
Friends, in this video we have discussed how to download and install VS Code, and I have told you how to set up. Friends, if you have understood this video, please like this video, share and do subscribe to my channel. Whosoever have queries regarding this video, let me ask in the comment box. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
Yeah.